Good morning, my dear students of class 2. How are you today? So, I'm back again with another lesson of GK, and today we are going to do page 26 of our GK book, and it has the topic Knowing India. So, on this page, we are going to learn about some famous places in India. Okay? And some amazing facts about them. Okay? So, should we begin? Let's start. So, students, have you taken out page 26 of your GK book with this topic, Knowing India? Okay. Identify these famous places in India by writing the correct letters in the boxes. Choose your answers from the help box. So we've got this help box, the blue colored one, and there are certain options given here. Kaziranga National Park, Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, then there is the Thar Desert, and then there is the Dal Lake. Okay, so we have to write down the correct option in this box. Fine. So the first picture, can you make out what this is? The only active volcano in India. So, which place has the only active volcano in India? Do you know? It is the Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Option B. This Barren Island. So, we are going to write B in this box over here. Okay. Like this. Done. Now we move to the next picture. Can you see which animal this is? Yeah, the rhino. National Park in Assam, known for its one-horned rhinos. So, what is the name of this park? It is option A, the Kaziranga National Park. It's in Assam. So we write down A in this box like this. Done. Now we move to the next picture. Can you see it's a lake? A lake in Srinagar known for its houseboats. So what is the name of that lake in Srinagar? Yes, it is option D, the Dal Lake. So we are going to write D in this box over here. Like this. Done. Now the last picture. It's a desert in Rajasthan. Yes, and what's the name of this desert? With so much of sand? It is the Thar Desert. Yes. Option C, the Thar Desert. So we write down C in the last box over here. Done. Good job. Now we have to answer these questions. Okay. So the first question is, who is known as our father of the nation? Do you know? Which famous personality is called the father of the nation? Yeah, it's Mahatma Gandhi. Yes. And he's also called Bapu na, because we consider him to be the father of the nation. So we write down Mahatma Gandhi in this blank. Like this. Mahatma. Mahatma. Gandhi. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Done? Okay, so should we move to the next question? Number 2. How many states are there in India? Do you know? How many states are there? Students, there used to be 29 states, but now Jammu Kashmir is no longer a state. So now there are 28 states in India. So we are going to write 28 in the blank over here. Okay? Like this. 28 states. Because Jammu Kashmir is no longer a state. Right? Now we move to the third question. What is the currency of India? So we use those notes now, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees. So they are the currency of India. And the currency of India is rupees. Yes, that's right. So we write down rupees in the third blank. Like this. RUPEE. Rupee. Okay. The Indian currency is called the rupee. Done. Now we move to the last question. Which river gave India its name? You know, India is named after a river. And what was the name of that river? It was Indus. Yes, the Indus River. Okay. So, we write down Indus in the last blank. Like this. INDUS. Indus. Okay. It was an ancient river. Indus. So, today we came to know about so many different places in India now.